Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to make a children's 3D fabric mask, just like the adults one, but smaller for kids. So this is how it'll look like. For a kid's mask, you will need an 8 by 12 inch piece of fabric for the front, an 8 by 5 inch piece of fabric for the interior filter pocket, 6.5 by 4 inch piece of fabric. You will need 2 of these for the end of your mask. 2 hair ties to strap them on your ears. Let's get started. Fold in a 1/4 inch of your piece of fabric at the top edge, then sew a straight line. After stitching the top of your interior filter pocket fabric, you will get your piece of big fabric. Line the bottom of your filter pocket fabric to the bottom of your outside fabric, fold it in half, and sew at the bottom. After sewing the bottom line, you will flip it inside out. Now, flatten it out nicely. After flattening it out nicely, you will fold it in half, crease, open it up, fold both edges towards the center, then sew at both sides. After sewing both sides of your mask, you will get your piece of fabric, fold in, sew at the edge. After you sew your 2 edges, you will flip them where you can see their true color. After you stitch the ends and you fold them out, then you put on your rubber bands, fold your fabric, then fold it again. Now you stitch them. This is how the children's mask will look like in the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also, tell your friends and family about this video about cool kids masks that you can make for your kids, cousins, or anyone you know that's a kid. Anyway, see you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!